Hey everyone watching, I'm Palphin. I'm at the Phenomenal Garage, and it's been like 2 months since I've posted any progress on this thing. But anyway, this is this cart in all of its glory. This is my 2011 Rage Animal Champ cart that I built. I bought this thing about a year ago, and it was pretty much just a bare chassis with all the suspension and the steering, and it was missing a lot of crap. But anyway, I put this whole thing together. I just got back from the track with it. This thing is a blast to drive. I cannot tell you guys enough. It's got my number 66. I gotta get an actual number plate for that. This is just like foam. But yeah, it's definitely due for a bath. I gotta wash it, and my micron's acting up, and my floor broke. So I do have some repairs to do on this thing. But I just want to fire this thing up in this video because I got to burn the methanol out of this engine. It's not supposed to sit in there, so I got to do that real quick. Make sure all the gaskets are still good, because last time I left it in here, this carb bowl gasket went bad and it was just leaking fuel, and I had to get a new one because I left the methanol in there. So that's what I'm going to do in this video today real quick, is just burn it all out of there and get this thing prepped for the next race. And yeah, make sure everything's all good. So typically before I start this thing, I have to kind of prime the fuel system and get fuel up to the pump, or at least into the carb. It seems like there's already fuel in the carb still yet, so I shouldn't have to do that. Just be able to put the starter right on this thing, spin this motor over, and it'll pop right off. It's a beautiful day out today. It's like 85 degrees. These things are a nightmare to start in the cold, so this thing should, like I said, pop right off. Just gonna run it, make sure everything's still good, and I'll use that bottle right there, put gas through this thing, because the methanol is not supposed to sit in this motor, and I'll burn the methanol off, and then go from there on maintenance on this cart. But in this video, we're just going to pop it off so you guys can hear it. Okay, so this is about as best angle as I can get of this thing with the little stand I'm working with. So I'm going to take this little carb cover off. So starter here, it's all ready to go. Pretty much just this little cover here, pop that aside. And there's a nut on the flywheel that this socket goes on. And this thing will pop it right off, hopefully. So we'll put that on there and spin her over. So it kind of runs a little rough at first, but once it warms up, it clears itself up. Yeah, the micron's still in the low battery. Even though the battery is brand new, it ain't reading anything. I'll have to figure that out. Well, anyway, that's going to end off this really short, quick, and simple video. Just wanted to show off the Champ cart because it's been 2 months since you guys have last seen it, and I've done a lot of work to it. As you can see, it looked a little different last time you guys saw it. It's just a bare chassis. Now it's complete. But I got to get a new GoPro so I can get some footage of me racing this thing and driving it. It is a blast, and it sounds insane. Can't wait to get you guys some fresh footage. I tried recording with my GoPro, and I guess it broke, so I got to get a new one, which blows. But leave a comment down below if you want to see more content with that cart. I plan on doing a lot of racing with it this summer, and just using it for as long as I can and keeping it in one piece. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.